How to become the first millionaire in your family. First number you need to focus on is 274. What's 274? It's the number of sales you need to make for 365 days, which will give you your first 6 figures, which is your first stop to $1 million. So how do you make $274 a day? If you have a $5 product, you need to sell at least 55 products per day. If you have a $10 product, you need to sell at least 28 products per day. If you have a $20 product, you need to sell at least 14. If you have a $100 product, you need to sell 3. If you have a $300 product, you need to sell at least 1. You add a 0 to your quantity, and you have your first $1 million.